Good morning, everyone. In previous lecture, we have discussed about different structures of the benzene, orbital structures of the benzene, Kekulé structure, and resonance energy, and Huckel's rule, and their explanation regarding the 3-membered, 5-membered, 4-membered, 6-membered, 7 and 8-membered. Till now, we have completed that portions. Now, today onwards, we continue with the nomenclature of the aromatic compounds. We all know in the aromatic compound the first priority is a benzene. Whenever we attach CH3 group, alkyl group towards the benzene ring system, that is called toluene. Additions of OH leads to phenol. Additions of OCH3, it means ether group OCH3, that's called anisole. And whenever we attach OCH to CH3, that is anisole. And next one, attachments of amine group to the benzene called as aniline. Attachments of aldehyde group towards the benzene called benzaldehyde. CO C6H5, it is a type of ester. It's a type of ketone, C double bond O, right? It is an example of benzophenol. Same COCH3, additions of COCH3 towards the benzene, that is acetophenol. Another one was additions of carboxylic acid, C double bond OH, in a benzene ring system, that is called benzoic acid. Meanwhile, additions of C and cyanide group towards the benzene ring system, that is called benzonitride. Another one was benzoyl chloride, in that additions of COCl, benzoyl chloride, right? Next one is additions of CO and H2, ketone plus amide group, that is called benzaamide. There are other different derivatives are there, such as additions of chloro, bromo and nitro towards the benzene, that is called chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and a nitrobenzene. There are also some of the fused ring system are there. Fused means they are having a not only a one benzene ring system, they are having a number of benzene ring system. They are fused with each other. As we all say that in naphthalene ring system, you can see that in naphthalene there are two ring system are there, that is called naphthalene. Another one example is anthracene. Anthracene containing three benzene ring system which are fused with each other, but they all are having in a same configurations. As see the structure of phenanthrene, see again they all are having a three benzene ring system, but first two are having a cis configurations, and another two, the last two, are having a trans configurations, but that number of benzene ring system is 3 in case of phenanthrene, right? Another example is regarding the naphthol. Okay, we all know whenever there is a two benzene ring systems are there, it is called naphthalene. Whenever we attach OH group, it means phenol group, hydroxyl group towards the benzene, that is called naphthol. Okay, when we attach OH group at one position, that is called alpha positions. So we can say that it is a alpha naphthol, or we also say that it's a one naphthol. Similar manner, whenever we attach OH group at a second positions, that is called 2 naphthol, or we can also say that beta naphthol, as the name suggests in a structure. Okay, there are also possibilities. There are number of di-substituted benzene. It is not a one substituted. It is also more than one. So in that case, we have to fix the positions. Like it is the 1, 2, 1, 3 or 1, 4. Okay, as in the says in the figure, first one, that is O-xylene. You can see the IUPAC name, that is 1,2-dimethyl benzene. Okay, whenever we consider this first one, this first one, this is second carbon, we can consider here as first number. So 1, 2, this is 3 number, and this is 4, then 5 and 6. So according to that, these are different 6 positions of carbon, right? So whenever we attach 1, 2 positions, it is called ortho positions. Whenever we attach 1, 3 position, that is called meta. And whenever we attach 1, 4 position, it's called para. Right? So see the example. First one is a 1,2 dimethyl benzene. Second one is a 1,3 dimethyl benzene. And the last one is a 1,4 dimethyl benzene. Okay, as we suggest that there are having a 2 similar groups are there. Okay, what is happening when there is a 2 different groups are there? At that conditions, what should have to write first in nomenclature of the benzene? What we should do? Whenever there is a 2 different alkyl groups are present, they are numbered in alphabetically order. Okay, see the example. In that we have write 1 methyl 2 methyl benzene, not 1 methyl 2 ethyl benzene. Why? Because we know that in alphabetically order, E is going for first and M for going last, as compared to ethyl and methyl. So according to alphabetically order, we have to give the mention. Such as ethyl group, they are going in a first prior in alphabetically order, we gave them first number. Then methyl is coming, then we have to add 2 methyl benzene, right? If more than 2 substituents are present and their position is designated by the numbering the such a way that all the substituents get minimum possible number. Okay, see the example of this 3. What they suggest that whenever there are different groups are present in benzene, right? So we have to give the numbering as all the substituents get minimum possible number. It should be a minimum, right? Such as first example relating 2,4-dichlorotoluene, right? Not we are saying it is a 4,6-dichlorotoluene. Why not 4,6? Because 2,4 is having a minimum number. So at that point we have give 2 and 4th positions to chloro. So it is a least number as compared to 4 and 6. Right? So such as like we have to attach the numbering positions. Okay, next one is regarding 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene. Similar manner 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. Okay, another one was that whenever there is an attachment as a substituent, whenever we attach branched chain or long chain towards the benzene ring system, at that point benzene is called as phenyl. Why? See the example. First one. In that we have attached one branched chain towards the benzene. So in that case, what we have write? 2,4-dimethyl 3-phenyl pentane. You can see in that we have write 3-phenyl, not a benzene. Same thing. Second one, it is a styrene. What is happening? Ethene molecule are attached towards the benzene. So we have write ethyl phenyl ethene, not ethylene benzene, right? So there is a difference in that. Okay, the third one is 3-phenyl propene, such as same as phenylethene, right? Another example was 1-phenyl propyne, diphenyl methane, and 1,2-diphenyl ethane, right? This all are example relating with that. Okay, so this is just all about nomenclatures of the benzene and its derivative, right? The next one is about different preparations and the reactions of benzene and its derivative. So we all know benzene are very much hydrocarbon in nature. It's having a very much hydrocarbon, which is obtained up to 170 degrees Celsius by distillations of the coal-tar, right? And it's separated by the further distillation of the fraction. Now come to the preparations of the benzene. So what we have to do, there are numbers of 5 reactions are there in a preparations of benzene. So come to the first one. In that, first one is from sodium salt of benzoic acid, we directly get benzene compound. Why? On the heating with soda lime. Okay, we all know in a soda lime, what it does contain? It contains calcium oxide and NaOH. Soda lime contains NaOH plus calcium oxide. So, the sodium salt of benzoic acid directly goes to benzene whenever we attach with soda lime. Another one was that benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, whenever we heated this benzene sulfonic acid, especially in the aqueous acidic medium, that going for the desulfonations and give a benzene. So what is happening, that specific group that attach is removed from that and they directly get a pure benzene compound. Another one was that regarding the diazonium salt. Okay, whenever benzene diazonium salt on treatment with hypophosphorus acid, that undergoes reductions to give benzene. Okay, but presence of hypophosphorus acid, H3PO2. Next one, from the phenol compound. Yes, whenever the phenol, distilled phenol is reacted over the zinc dust, that resulted in the formations of benzene. In that case, zinc dust it acts as a catalyst. Okay, next one, I mean last one is bi-Grignard reagent. We all know Grignard reagents are very common in almost all organic reactions. They are mainly used as a catalyst, right? So in that we have used phenyl magnesium bromide. Whenever we hydrolyze, that results in the benzene ring system. What we have to do first? First, we have to take bromobenzene and it react with magnesium metal and ether solvent. So they will form phenyl magnesium bromide. Okay, whenever we attach this phenyl magnesium bromide Grignard reagent towards the water molecule, so what is happening? In water molecule, they are dissociated between H plus and OH minus, right? So that OH molecule part is combined with magnesium. So they will form MgOHBr, magnesium hydroxide bromide. So that remaining part is benzene as itself, right? So these are all different 5 preparations of benzene, right? So next one is chemical properties. Chemical properties of benzene ring system. Okay, we all know benzene is having a very much pi electron rich system because benzene is having delocalized 6 pi electron. Now they are having an extra pi electron. So what is happening? They will attract it towards that group which having deficiency of electron. That means electrophile. So what is happening? In case of benzene, they will directly go for the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, another one, there is also one examples are there or one comments are there. Okay, benzene are going for the electrophilic substitution reactions. Not they are going for the electrophilic addition reactions. So that is just one comment is important as per your exam point of view. I will explain. Just yes. See here. In that structure, you can say that in middle there is a structure of benzene. All the carbons are sp2 hybridized. Yes, they all are having a 6 hydrogen atom. All are having a double bonded. All our carbon are sp2 hybridized. Now what is happening in case of electrophilic addition reaction? What is happening in additions? There is just additions of your electrophile compound. There is no removal of any atom from your organic compound, right? So see that in left hand side, what is happening in case of electrophilic addition reactions? You can see here they are having attachment of bromine. See here, attachment of the bromine. So already we are having hydrogen atoms, and extra there is attachment of this bromine ring system. So what is happening? This double bond is break down in case of addition reactions. So whenever these addition reactions are occurred, there is a breakdown of double bond, and this breakdown of double bonds leads to loss of aromaticity. Why? Because these two carbons are sp3 hybridized after electrophilic addition reactions, right? So that is how they will lose that aromaticity. That's why benzene is not going for the addition reactions. But in case of substitution reaction, what they are doing, it is a substitution. So they will doing what? Removing of these hydrogens and additions of the bromine. So there is a no removal of this double bond. All the carbon are as itself sp2 hybridized. So the aromaticity is retained as itself. Right? So that's why we can say that benzene is going for electrophilic substitution reactions, not going for addition reactions. This is just a justification of that comment. Right? So as we have discussed, benzene directly go for electrophilic substitution reactions. So there are different examples in that. In your syllabus, there are different reactions such as nitration, sulfonations, product of alkylations, acylations, many more are there. So one by one we will discuss that. Okay, so first one is halogenations. What is happening in the halogenation process? Halogen atom. That can be a chloro, that can be a bromo. But we cannot use iodine in that. Only chlorine and bromine are going for the halogenations for benzene. Okay, but in the presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3, FeCl3, FeBr3 as a catalyst. As you can see in this reaction, first benzene is reacted with chlorine Cl2 molecule in presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 or FeCl3. Now it is a substitution reaction. Now what is happening? One molecule or one atom of the chlorine is attached with the benzene. Attached with the benzene, and they remove the hydrogen from that carbon. And this removal of hydrogen is bind with another molecule of the chlorine, and they form HCl. Same in that case of bromine. In case of Br2, there is a AlBr3 or FeBr3 catalyst we have used. Okay, these whole processes are initiated by generations of the electrophile. In case of chlorination, there is a chloronium ion. In case of bromine, it's a bromonium ion. How? We will see the different reaction mechanism. Okay, so first reaction mechanism is step 1. That is generations of chloronium ion. It is a electrophile. It is electrophile. This name itself is electrophile. It means they will attract it towards the electron. So they are having deficiency of the electron. Right? Deficiency of electron. While we know that benzene is having a pi electron rich compound, right? So benzene is having a more pi electron. It is a source of electron. So this chloronium ion are easily attracted towards the benzene ring system. Now how these chloronium ions are formed? Okay, we know that there is in Cl2 chlorine molecule is attached with Lewis acid AlCl3 or FeCl3, whatever that is. First, they will condense with each other and they form one intermediate complex. Right? We can can see in that figure, there is a removal from the electron like this. You can see that in chlorine there is a 6 electrons rich compounds are there and one positive ion. That positive ion suggests that there is a lack of 2 electron in chlorine, right? So it is act as an electrophile because they are having a lacking of electron. Another one was that AlCl4 negative ion. Okay, another one was that what is happening in AlCl4. These AlCl4 are removed from this complex and this electrophile chloronium ions are formed. Now this chloronium ion are bind with the further benzene ring system. You can see here. Attack of chloronium ions on pi electron rich aromatic system. That is formations of arenium ion. We can see that in that figure, first one. This chloronium ion we have generated in step 1 is attack on benzene in second step. It is a very slow step. It is a rate determining step of this substitution reactions. So whenever any default in that step, it will leads to progress of your reaction mechanism, right? So aromaticity is lost at this stage as one of the carbons become sp3 hybridized. Formations of arenium ion is an endothermic process. Why endothermic process? Because they are losing their electron. The 4 pi electrons in arenium ions are delocalized among 5 sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay. You can see in that figure there are different resonance structures are attached and they will form a pi sigma complex. In that electrons are moving from each other. The third step, the last step is loss of proton, formations of chlorobenzene and regenerations of catalyst. Now what is happening? This second intermediate, arenium ion, loses the proton molecule. So whenever they lose the proton molecule, that electrons are again bind with the benzene ring system and then benzene is again gaining their aromaticity. So that chlorobenzene, the product of halogenation, product of fluorination process are occurred. And that remaining part, AlCl4, again they will divide it into AlCl3 plus Cl minus, and then Cl minus is bind with the proton atom which is removed during this arenium ion loss. So directly we get a regenerations of AlCl3 compounds, right? So this is how it is a chlorobenzenes are formed from arenium ion. It is a exothermic process. You can see there is a different figures are there which represent the reaction scored in energy profile of the electrophilic substitutions in benzene, right? So next one, similar manner there is also in now brominations. In similar manner what is happening, brominations occur in presence of either AlBr3 or FeBr3 as a catalyst to form a bromobenzene. So first they will form brominium ion, then attack of brominium ion to the benzene ring system. It is a very slow step. Then at the last, what is happening? Loss of proton from the arenium ion and they will form bromobenzene. Similar manner like a chlorine. Next one was a nitration.